Everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your remaining month of November reading. Start from the 22nd through the 30th of November 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Cancer. Let's see what is coming up for you guys for the remaining month time. I will be adding oracle cards. I will be pulling out charms as well, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's find out what is heading towards you guys for the remaining month time, Cancerians. Let's start. King of Wands, King of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, the Empress, Eight of Swords, Nine of Wands, and Ace of Pentacles. And in the deck we do have the Knight of Pentacles. Well, you're going hot and cold for a specific someone in your life. It seems like you are unable to decide. Do you have love for this person, or do you have passion for this person? Do you see this person as somebody who you could have a sexual connection with, or do you see this person as somebody who you could have a future with? So I feel like it's going to be like that kind of energy where you're going to stay confused. You're not going to be able to make up your mind about this one person in your life. When you think of having a relationship with this person, you feel like I will have to put a lot of effort into this connection. When you think of this person as to somebody to have a passionate connection with, you feel like it's like your love with your emotional attachment with this person is going to go strong, so you cannot take the risk of that, but you cannot keep it to just the physical or sexual as well. So it's like push and pull that you're going to be having, inner conflict that you're going to be having around this one person in your life. I feel like whoever it is that you're dealing with, they are not going to be ready to settle in for less than what they want. So eventually it's them and it's their choice, not yours. The energies could be reversed for some of you as well. Maybe it's you who is in the position to decide what do they want, and maybe you have a person in your life who is getting hot and cold towards you, and you are just telling them that, look, this is what I want, and if you don't have anything stable to give me, I don't want it. If you want love, I'm up for it. If you want just the physical thing, maybe I'm not up for it. So there is some sort of clear communication that is going to be happening between you and a specific someone who finds you very attractive, who finds you a good opportunity or good not opportunity, but a good potential to have a future with. But at the same time, they are not sure if you could be the right person for them to get married to. But yes, they are sure that they can have a good passionate connection with you as well. But it's like it's like something that you don't want, what you want they don't want. So there is like mismatch there. There is like something which is not working well for the two of you, which is going to definitely block the connection this remaining month time. For some of you, maybe you have two different people invested in you as well. In that situation too, I don't see any of the connection working out well for you, because I feel like you are very stable in terms of you are very focused in terms of what you want, what you don't want. And when you tell this to the people that you are dealing with, it's just like just gonna make them kind of are confused. Shall I pursue this person or shall I not? But which is a good thing. Like the things that you have been through in your love life lately, it's very good and important for you to be very clear about what do you want, what do you seek in a relationship. You have to stand tall for yourself. Whatever you believe in, you have to stand up for that. If you settle in for less than that, people are going to just like treat you the way they have been treating you all your life. So if you really want something stable in your love life, you really have to put your guards up. You really have to allow the person who is ready to give you what you want. If you could do that, trust me, something good is going to happen for you. Be that from these two people who you are seeing already, or maybe somebody new is going to enter in your life who could be the emperor. Because your energy is like, you are rising above all that you have been through actually. And I feel like, you are getting to the point where you are a strong-headed person. Nobody can manipulate you with different, maybe maybe getting you into some talks and stuff like that. You are somebody who is looking for actions now. I don't think that you are going to get into the trap where people would use their words to kind of, to seduce you, to make things with you, or to do things with you, sexually, physically, emotionally blackmail you, or get into, some sort of a trap. I feel like, you have grown up from that stage of your life. You have passed that, age of yours where you used to get, so vulnerable to get influenced by any other person that you were dealing with. I feel like, now you are blocking out anything and everything that is, making you feel like, no, you are not worthy of love, affection, compassion, commitment, or something, stable, some sort of a stable relationship. I do see you blocking out anyone and everyone this remaining month time. You are going to, like, tick off the things you want this, in your person. If they have it, good. If they don't have it, just cross them out. So I feel like, it's going to be, you will have a lot of opportunities coming your way, because you are the empress right now. Your energy is very pure and high. People are going to get attracted to you. People are going to be like, trying their luck with you. But it's very important for you to keep your standards high. Don't settle in for less, and then only you will be able to have somebody in your life. Let me tell you one more thing here. Don't let people tell you, with this age, with this situation, maybe you have to settle in for less. It's a mental block that they want to entrap you in with. Don't let that happen. Keep your guards up against those kind of people as well, because something beautiful, something magical is coming your way as the month ends. So I believe for all of you who have been having rough patches in their love life, you are having something beautiful coming your way as you reach towards the end of the month. 27th through the 30th is going to be the time when you will have somebody special coming in your life to give you stability that you desire, that you believe in. Now, if you let these kind of people sway you away from the, stable connection that you want, that you desire, then don't complain that this didn't happen for you. If you really want this to happen for you, you really have to be the empress. You really have to be the emperor, where you know your worth, where you know what do you want, what you desire. Let's see more cards here. I feel like, things are already changing for you. You can feel some positive changes happening from within you. You are okay with the delays, but you are not okay with the going back to the old ways of dealing with the relationships and the men in your life and the women in your life. You really don't want to stay confused. You really want something stable, or you don't want any shit at all. This is what you aim for. Having a happy home life with a specific someone, and you don't want to settle in for less than that. And somebody is definitely rushing towards you, is coming in your life, and that person is going to give you a new beginning. For some of you, maybe this person is going to be somebody younger than you, but yes, this person is going to be stable mentally, emotionally, and physically. Somebody who's not going to play with your emotion. This person could be somebody very practical as well. So yeah, let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Let's see what it has to add to the reading for you guys for the remaining month time. Clear cognizance. Pay attention to thoughts, ideas that come to you, as they are answered prayers. You really have to keep yourself very calm in your being. Why? Because if you are not calm from deep within, you are not aligned with your heart, your mind, heart, and soul is not aligned, you are not going to get the messages coming from the universe. So make sure that to receive the right messages, the right path forward, you really have to listen to your heart, listen to your God, listen to your try to establish the connection with your spirit guides, God, and whatever you believe in. Try to calm yourself as much as you can. Don't let any negative thought creep in your head. Let the downloads come from the universe. And I feel like, you will be guided towards the right path. You will be guided towards the right way of dealing with things, where, which is going to help you to block these negative people, negative thoughts out of your life as well. If you have a sudden inspired idea that pops up in your head, in your mind, go ahead with that. Maybe, like, if you're single, maybe you want to go out with a friend of yours, and then you are thinking, like, maybe I should not go, but initially you have this you had this inner calling to go for that. maybe you should go for that, because there is like, you know, there you might meet, or you might have your prayer answered there, of, you know, having met your soulmate. So just know that. But again, to receive the messages, you really have to be in that calm state of being, so you could understand what the messages are all about. Let's take one oracle, and then we're gonna take charms. Let's see what it has to add to the reading for you guys. Work through your fears. Don't be fearful around anything. Like I said, don't let people tell you that, you know, with this stage, with this situation, this and that, you might have to settle in for less. No, you don't have to. Just work through your fears, and everything is going to be fine. Let's see what the charms has to add to the reading. So no alphabets. You really have to cut off people from your life who are not worthy of you or your time and energy. USA, for some of you, you could be living in the USA, or the person that you might be, you know, talking to or communicating with, maybe they are from USA, or somebody might be traveling towards you from USA as well. Listen to the music. Like, you know, maybe you are going to receive some sort of messages coming from the divine through music. Be mindful of that as well. Try to take care of yourself as much as you can. Know that you deserve to be pampered. You deserve to be taken care of. So always take care of yourself, as if you are, you know, you are deserving of that care and love. Love yourself. Buy yourself some gifts if you want, to feel happy about yourself, and to basically to raise your vibes up even higher and higher. I feel like, you know, there are so many people interested in you right now. But again, it's your call, it's your choice to choose, you know, which one to go for. So again, try to keep yourself open to receive some downloads from the universe as the messages for you to be on the right track to find your soulmate. So yeah, this pretty much is coming for you for this remaining month time. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye-bye.